very close to our daily life. The challenge in education and social life in the digital era, especially among students and young people. With me today are two amazing guests, Damai and Nona. Damai, an education major who's active in campus programs, and Nona, a social and digital media analyst. Hi Nona and hi Damai.
Okay, hey Nona, glad to be here.
Hello everyone, I'm really excited to today's discussion.
Okay, let's start with the hottest issue. Social media becoming the main source of information. Many students now really on TikTok, Instagram, and X not only for entertainment but also for learning. Damai, as a student, do you feel this change?
Okay, absolutely. Nona, a lot of my classmates trust short video more than reading articles or books. The problem is not all content is awkward. One of my friends even used data from TikTok for a class presentation, and it turned out to be misinformation.
Okay, this is a very real issue, and recently TikTok was even shown in the use for causing addiction in children. Nana, what impact does this have on social life?
Okay, it's hard. When young people consume fast content all the time, they become easily distracted. You know the pressure, I'll just scroll for a minute. It often turns into 2 hours. We also see reduced focus, hyper social comparison, and lower empathy because face-to-face interaction is distressing.
And all of this directly affects how students learn and behave in school or university. Let's move to the school second issue. Declining learning is key line. Many teachers and lecturers say students get bored more quickly and struggle to read long texts. Damai, do you agree?
In class, when lecturers explain complex theories, many students lose focus almost immediately. Where to use to instant information like from short videos that we forgot, learning is a long process, I think.
And some experts argue that the curriculum has fully adapted to digital era burdens.
Exactly. Our education system still heavily prioritizes memorization instead of critical thinking. Meanwhile, today's world varies. Information literacy, digital literacy, data verification skills, and self-control over digital distractions.
Okay, this connects to the recent debate about final evaluation in universities, like the argument that the traditional tests may no longer be the most relevant assessment method.
Right. Many students feel that writing a thesis doesn't reflect the skills needed in the modern workplace.
Now, let's talk about social issues. Change in youth behavior caused by digital life. Nona, you study this area. What trends are you seeing lately?
Okay, there are 3 major trends. First, early exposure to the internet. Even elementary school kids can record and upload content without adult supervision. Easily accessible negative content, pranks, flexing, online drama, and unhealthy challenges. Impulsive behavior for quick fame. Many young people want to go viral instantly without considering the consequences.
Okay, and many parents and teachers feel left behind by how fast technology moves.
Yes, some students trust influencers more than teachers. There is also this mindset of wanting quick success through viral content instead of working hard through a process.
Some experts call this the role model crisis among today's students. Before we end, let's discuss solution. What can we do to face this educational and social challenge?
Okay, first, digital literacy must be taught from a young age. Not just technical skill, but digital ethics, online safety, and fact-checking skills.
In second, the schools and university need to create learning methods that are more relevant, interactive, project-based, and like with the learning style of today's generation.
Okay, and families play a high role. Parents must also become digitally literate so they can guide their children.
Exactly. Otherwise, the gap will only get wider.
And lastly, we ask users should be responsible. Social media is just a tool, whether it helps or harms depends on how we use it. Alright, that wraps up our discussion today. Thank you so much, Damai and Nona, for sharing your insight. I hope today's episode helps all listeners become more aware of the challenges and opportunities in education and social life in this digital era. See you in the next episode of Education Talks.
Thank you.
Bye.